So let us see the exercise 4a. Like in the question number 1, it is saying express each of the following in exponential forms. Express each of the following in exponential form. Like I am taking the second part, in which it is written 4 by 7 multiplied by 4 by 7 multiplied by 4 by 7 4 by 7. So the same number 4 by 7 is being multiplied by how many times? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it will be written as, in the exponential form, 4 by 7 raised to the power 4. 4 by 7 raised to the power 4. Rest is easy, so you can do on your own. Question number 2. In question number 2, it is saying express each of the following as the number in the form of p by q. Express each of the following as the number in the form of p by q. Like it is saying 2 by 9 raised to the power 3. 2 by 9 raised to the power 3. So it can be written as 2 by 9 multiplied by 2 by 9 multiplied by 2 by 9, because the power is 3, so we will multiply it 3 times. So 2 into 2 into 2, numerator will be multiplied with numerator. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Then denominator by denominator, so 9 9s are 81, 81 9s are 729. So the answer will be 8 upon 729. 8 upon 729. Then let us take a negative number. Like the last part, it is saying minus 1 by 2 raised to the power 8. Minus 1 by 2 raised to the power 8. Now as I told you, when there is a negative number and the power is even, the negative 1 becomes a positive 1. And when the negative number's power is an odd number, the answer comes to be negative. It is in negative only. So here the power is 8, 8 is an even number, so minus will become plus, and plus is not written. 1 multiplied 8 times will give you 1, and 2 multiplied 8 times. 2 multiplied 8 times. 2 2 is 2, 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 2 is 16, 2 is 32, 2 is 64, 2 is 128, 2 is 256. So 1 upon 256 is going to be the answer. The minus will become plus because the power is even number. Because the power is even number. Let us see another question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is saying express each of the rational numbers in power notation. Express each of the rational numbers in power notation. Like it is given, second part, if I take 81 upon 121. 81 upon 121. Now what you will have to do, you can factorize. If you are not able to get that of which number to what power should this number become, you can factorize. If you factorize 81, it will be divided by 3, again 3, again 3 and again 3. So 4 times. and if you factorize 121, it will be divided by only 11. So 11 times and 11 again. So 11 is coming how many times? 2 times. So we will make this also in a pair of 2. So if we make this a single number and this a single number, by this we means what? 3 multiplied by 3, 9, and 3 multiplied by 3, 9. So 9 multiplied by 9 will give us 81, and 11 multiplied by 11 will give us 121. So the number it will become will be 81 can be written as 9, and 121 can be written as 121 can be written as 11, and this whole can be raised to the power 2. Because 81 is the square of 9 and 121 is the square of 11. So it can be written as 9 upon 11 ka whole ka square. 9 upon 11 raised to the power 2. So you see the fourth part. The fourth part is saying minus of 1 by 512. Minus of 1 by 512. Now do the factor of 512. We can divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4. 5s are 10. 6s are 12. Then again 2. Then we know that 256 is 2 to the power 8. So 512 will be 2 to the power 9. 1 will be increased. So we can directly write it down as 512 can be written as 2 to the power 9. And 1 can be written as 1 to the power 9. But here is minus sign. So there must be a minus sign. So minus 1 to the power 9. Now minus 1 to the power 9 and 2 to the power 9 can combinedly be written as minus 1 by 2 raised to the power 9. Raised to the power 9. Now see, the negative number power is an odd number, so the answer is coming out to be a negative number. You can check it also. Let's see question number 4. Question number 4 says that you have to find the value of. You have to find the value of. Like for example, in the second part, it is saying minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5 raised to the power 4 multiplied by minus 5 by 4 raised to the power 3, right? So when we are going to expand it, it can be written as minus 2 by 5, and how many times? Power 4, so 4 times. Minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5 multiplied by, and minus 5 by 4 3 times. So minus 5 by 4 multiplied by minus 5 by 4 multiplied by minus 5 by 4. So let's see what's get cancelled. 2 2s are 4, again 2 2s are 4, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, and 5 1s are 5. So in the numerator, minus 4 times and minus 3 times. So 4 and 3, 7 times. 7 times is an odd number of times, so answer will be minus 1. And denominator 1 5 and one 4. So 5 into 4 will give you 20. So minus 1 by 20 will be the answer. Let's see the fourth part. The fourth part is saying 6 upon minus 11, 6 upon minus 11 whole square multiplied by minus 11 to the power 3. Right? So what we can write it down as 6 upon minus 11, and the power is 2 times, so we will write it 2 times, and minus 11 to the power 3, so minus 11, minus 11, minus 11. With minus 11, one of the minus 11 get cancelled, another minus 11 will cancel the. So what is left behind is 6 into 6 into minus 11. So 6 6 are 36, 36 into 11. So 36, 36, 396. 396, and there is a negative sign, so minus of 396. Minus of 396. I hope you all are getting it. If you have any doubt, you can mention it in the comment box. And if you like the video, share it as much as you can. Let us see the seventh part. Seventh part is saying 1 by 2 raised to the power 4 divided by 1 by 3 raised to the power 4 plus minus 1 by 2 raised to the power 3. So 1 by 2 power 4, so I'll write it down as 4 times. Divide will be changed into multiply, and 1 by 3 4 times, but multiply will do the reciprocal of all of them, so it will become 3 by 1 and plus minus 1 by 2 ka cube. So minus 1 ka cube will be minus 1 and 2 ka cube will be 8. So 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81 upon 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16 plus minus 1 upon 8. So plus will become minus. Now take the LCM. LCM will be 16. So 81 minus 8 2s are 16. So 2. 81 minus 2 will give you 79. So 79 upon 16. Then comes the question number 5th, which is a very easy question. In this you have to find the reciprocal. You all are well aware that what is reciprocal? The numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. Likewise, it is saying minus 3 by 4 cube. The power 3 is called as cube, minus 3 by 4 cube. Now you need not to solve it and give your answer in rational form. You can give your answer in exponent form only, because it is asking just for the reciprocal. So minus 3 by 4 will become minus 4 by 3. 3 by 4 will become 4 by 3. And minus sign will be maintained in the numerator, because it is not written in the denominator as we have learned in the previous chapters. So it will become minus 4 by 3 power 3. Minus 4 by 3 power 3. So in this way you have to do just the reciprocal. Then in question number 6, we have to pay some attention here, because it is asking for absolute value. It is saying that find the absolute value of the following. Like for example, it is saying minus 7 by 8, where it is written 7 by 8 ka square. Power 2 is called as square. So minus 7 by 8. For absolute value, we will place it in mod. So minus 7 by 8 square and mod. So 7 by 8 square will be 7 square is 49, 8 square is 8 8 is 64, and minus will become plus, because mod sign makes every negative number a positive number. So this is going to be the answer. Like you see in the next one, minus 3 by 2 raised to the power 5. So we'll write it down as mod of minus 3 by 2 raised to the power 5. So mod of minus 3 to the power 5. Minus 3 to the power 5. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, and 81 3s is 243. Minus ka power is odd number, so answer will be negative, minus 243. 2 ka power 5, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. Then when mod will be applied, it will become positive. So 243 upon 32. This will be the answer. So by this your exercise gets complete. There is one MCQ. Let's see that also. You can pause the video and note it down. The question number 7, the MCQ question. It is saying that evaluate x square minus 100 in brackets 1 minus x, x minus 1 ka whole square, where x is 2.2. So there are two ways of solving this question. One is, in both of the ways, first you have to put the value 2.2 at the place of x. So 2.2 square minus 100, 2.2 minus 1 whole square. 2.2 square is 4.84 minus. How you get to know? You can imagine it as without decimal 22. Now 22 ka square is 484, or you can do 22 into 22, 484. Then the point is at a single place, so we will write in our answer the point at two places from the left, because we are doing the square. So 4.84, you can directly get it. Then 100, 2.2 minus 1 will give you 1.2, and it's a square. So 4.84 minus 100, and 1.2 can be imagined as 12. 12 square is 144. So just write down 144, and decimal is at one place, write it down at two places. So 1.44. So finally what you get? 4.84 minus 100 into 1.44 will shift the decimal from left hand side to right hand side. So two places it will jump, because two zeros are here. So it will become 144.0. So 144.0 point becomes meaningless. So we can write it simply 144. Now 144 minus 4 will give you 140. 140 minus 0.84 will give you 139.16. And minus is with the bigger number 144, so answer will be also in minus. This is one of the way. In the other way, what you can do, you can write this part is same. So 2.2 can be written as 22 by 10 square minus 100. 2.2 minus 1, 1.2. 1.2 can be written as 12 by 10 square. 22 square is, don't simplify it, because when there will be denominator will be in multiples of 0, it will be easy to calculate. So 22 square will be 484, and 10 square will be 100 minus 100 into 12 square will be 144 upon 100, right? Now you can cancel the double zeros, and then you can take LCM and solve the question. Or what we can do here is that we can write it as 484 upon 100 minus 144 multiplied by 100, two zeros added and 0. Now the denominator becomes the same, so subtract from 14,400 484. You will get 13,960. 13,960 with a minus sign, because 14,400 is a negative, upon 100. Now this 0 got cancelled, and this 0 will place a point over here at one place. So minus 139.6. Again you are getting the same answer. So this was, the calculation was in decimal. Here we avoided the decimal.